Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the TP Link AC1200 range extender setup. Now, there's three ways to go about this. The first way is you just scan this QR code. You can scan this, or you can just go to your Google Play and Apple, store and download the TP Link Tether app. Okay, and then you just enable the TP Link Tether. You find the range extender, the devices list, and you can just click the range extender. You can easily manage that. Okay, that's the first solution. Or we can do, if your Wi-Fi, the extender Wi-Fi network name is basically different from your main router. That's just an example. So let's say on your router it's my home, and on the range extender it's my home extension. Then what you do is you connect to the extended Wi-Fi, and you try this link, try again, and if both of them have the same name, then you can just access the management page. You can use a Ethernet connection or the range extender's LAN IP. Okay, and then what you do is you connect your computer, you turn off the wireless connection to your computer, you connect to the range extender with an Ethernet cable, you try this link, and you can fix it from there. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.